ENC 1304 Block 19 TTI. Shoutout kay Boss Kelvin. So naka metal slide na with TTI markings. Ito hindi ko lang natanggal yung tape. Then yung frame niya is polymer. May under rail for attachment. Threaded yung barrel. Naka U-type sights. Magazine capacity is 22 rounds. Chrono check natin. 294, 290. Kulang sa gas. Ika mo. Okay. So nagkak naman siya. So for details, by the way price niya pala is 4,500. So for details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavsabi PH.